I'm assuming it's faux.
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 F-A-U-X.
Wow.
Not F-O.
No, that'd be
but,
weird.
That's fee-fi faux fum.
But
it's not a small car.
It's already at the stop sign.
Yeah.
And we're just getting to it. Here we go. Holy cow. The Gumble couldn't even keep up.
Ready? I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh my Lord. Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, tell the people some stuff.
Let me tell them some stuff. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm gonna put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down. Call us about this Monte Carlo or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time. And also, like and subscribe because it helps us help you. And also, 92% of you are not subscribed that come back and watch these. That doesn't make any sense. Hit the bell when you're down there because then you get notified when we make cool videos like this. And also, if you want full photo sets of all of these cars, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com. You can see all of that there. But for now, Chris, tell us about this Monte Carlo.
This is a 1972 Mulsane Blue Monte Carlo. It's got the original 350 in it and the original transmission. Transmission has been rebuilt. We've got a new cam, new intake, aluminum heads. We got a new rear end. It had 280 open, now it's 355 Posi-Traction in the back. As you can see, we got Cragers. We got new BFGs on it. It's a beautiful car. It's really been, well, it's been updated and really nicely updated. Ooh, it's gonna be a real screamer, isn't it there, Jake?
Yeah, I believe it is. We also updated the exhaust. It's got some headers on it as well. Very gorgeous looking headers at that. I believe we did suspension work as well. I think it has coilovers.
I think there's adjustable coilovers on it.
Yeah,
and I know there's power brakes, power steering.
Oh, of course.
And it is a, what do we like to call it? Rowdy. It's
rowdy.
Fast, and it is
yeah.
loud. I can't wait to drive it.
Yeah, I can see disc brakes on the front too, so that's very nice. And I love the pinstriping there on the rear fender, going down the side, and on the door and the front fender, I guess. But yeah, it's just awesome.
Yeah, new exhaust work. It's great.
Mulsane blue.
Mulsane blue.
Gorgeous with black interior. We got a bench seat, but this thing's quick. It's also got Sniper EFI.
Oh, tilty wheel. Nice, and it does have a Holly Sniper.
Yeah.
Love electric fuel injection. There is no pumping on this one.
Yeah, no, there's nothing.
Shall we?
You ready to start it?
Oh my God, I'm waiting to start this.
Here is your microphone.
Oh, thank you.
You get it free with your purchase of a Monte Carlo.
Really? I'm going to give your microphones away when I sell this thing?
No, I'm kidding.
All right.
You people at home do not get the microphones when you buy this car. This thing is nice. I already like this interior.
I do too. I like the new steering wheel.
Yeah, the steering wheel's cool. I do like that a lot. And a working horn.
Love a horn.
Loud horn.
Yeah, we're not kidding around.
Very
Get
loud
out of
horn.
the way. This thing, oh man, you can just tell. It does not sound like your mom's 1972 Monte Carlo.
No, and it does not sound like this thing did when it was stock either.
No, sir, rebob. Holy cow.
Oh, goodness. Take it easy there, Chris, with your pedal movements.
Oh my gosh. She is definitely ready to rock.
There it goes.
Oh, I love the tilty wheel.
Ready to rock. Oh, tilted again. I didn't see. Very nice.
Oh, and I forgot to mention, but now that we're inside, Dakota gauges.
Hey, let me look at those real quick.
Yeah, I'm not going to go until you...
Very light up gauges. Lighty uppy. And a Sony head unit that also lights up, changes colors. Very cool. Here we go, turning out of our street.
Oh, this electric fuel injection is something. It's instant, you know? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. does make a lot of great noise, but it's a cruiser. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's awesome. We also have our upgraded automatic shifter down here.
Yep.
I love this a lot. It kind of looks like a Hurst shifter, but it's an automatic. And a leather shift boot. Nice little plate that goes around it. Here on the dash, the wood grain dash, I might add.
Oh, wood grain.
Cigarette lighter, in case you want to take up smoking, but don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes, and this car will have no issue smoking tires.
Oh, right.
Especially
I'm trying
with the
not to make it smoke.
355 Posi-Traction rear end. Yeah, I didn't actually know we did the Posi rear end when we did the work to this car.
There's some work done, and it's tasteful.
And air conditioning.
Oh, I love air conditioning.
We have our AC controls right here. I'm going to turn the fan on so we can get that blowing. But yeah, we got a de-icer as well, and a heater, of course. And then you have the switch for the lights over there, and the washer and the wiper. We have this wood grain. Very cool. It's like a bunch of circles, like the knots in the wood on the Monte Carlo. I'm assuming it's faux.
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 F-A-U-X.
Wow.
Not F-O.
No, that'd be
but,
weird.
That's fee-fi faux fum. But, oh, he loves the horn.
Love it.
This is a little bit different. The dash is in incredible condition. No cracks or nothing. Vinyl.
Gotta love it. Just like the seats.
Vinyl, just like the seats. Black vinyl. There's no split here. It is a bench.
Bench.
It's one bench. We also have real back seats.
For real people.
For real people. Isn't that lovely? And the dome light as well, with the little flower on it.
How about this?
Very Monte Carlo-y. Yeah, the headliner's nice. It's not really drooping anywhere. Tight like a Toyga. It's not torn.
Toyga.
You know what else is tight?
Yeah.
The sun visors.
I know you hate them.
They don't droop at all. Yeah, I don't like when sun visors droop.
Droopier.
It's a pet peeve. A pet peeve of mine, I say.
It's a pet peeve.
Here's the glove box, and look, you got the little sticker in here that says all the chassis stuff.
There's the Holly Sniper setup.
Oh yeah. There's the Holly Sniper program box, whatever you want to call it, in there. Gives you all your engine metrics if you ever want to look at that. Although, I believe the Sniper systems are self-learning, if you set it to self-learn. So it kind of just keeps itself going and figures out what the engine needs and gives it to it.
Yep.
So there's it's kind of just a set it and go type deal.
Yeah.
Reliable system.
It does everything for you.
Yeah, you don't kind of pump the gas. If it's cold outside, it's still going to start. Stuff like that, you know.
Yep.
None of those carburetor issues, which is lovely.
It is lovely.
And out ahead of us, you can see the longest hood I've ever seen in my life.
It's just going to keep going.
Yeah, the ornament is actually in the next county. But
the next county.
It's not a small car.
It's already at the stop sign.
Yeah.
And we're just getting to it.
Yeah, we're still getting there. Speaking of, there is the stop sign, which means a little bit of a bean test.
We've been at one.
Let's feel it. Oh, goodness. Yeah, it's got beans. Oh, the noise it makes.
It makes a triumphant noise.
God, it's good.
Yeah.
That was only 35 miles an hour. I guarantee it. Yeah, that was
a little bit faster now. But I slowed it down because it was. It can go all day long, and we'll see it on some flybys.
Yes, you will see it on the flybys, and it will fly by.
Can't even wait, actually. It's going to sound great. I want to see how it sounds from
the leaves are turning yellow, Chris.
I love fall.
And they're all over the ground.
Fall in Missouri is a wonderful, wonderful thing.
It is. I love fall in Missouri.
Don't move to your Missouri. You just stay away and stay in your own states. We like our Missouri the way it is.
Oh, Chris.
It's true, though.
All right, here we are. Time for some flybys. You ready?
All right.
There's Park.
Yeah, it's kind of like a Toyga.
Yeah, the shifter is very tight.
I wore my seatbelt. Are you proud of me?
Kind of forgot about that.
We do
have lap belts. I don't think we have the shoulder kind. Just the laps.
Yeah.
That's all right. It's 1972. You don't need shoulder belts. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do it.
This car is something. I love the leaves behind it as it's going. It's so cool. And it looks great. Here we go. Holy cow. The Gumbel couldn't even keep up. God bless, this car looks nice. What do you think about that one?
Does it make a good noise or does it make a good noise, Chris?
Makes a great noise. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness.
This is one of my favorite cars now.
Yeah,
this makes...
the first way coming this way, I couldn't get the gumball to move quick enough.
Yeah.
The second way, it really was a way better pass.
This makes one of the best noises of any of the cars in our inventory. And I mean, and you got like the air-fuel ratio on the dash and the mileage and everything. You can just monitor all your stuff with the fuel injection. You got nice gauges that light up. I mean, everything that needs to be upgraded is upgraded, but it still has the essence of a 72 Monte Carlo from the outside. The stands, the tire package, the Cragers. I love it. There's nothing I would change about this car, Chris.
Don't change a thing.
You ready to go back?
Let's do it, man.
Let's do it.